Hey kids, how are you? Hope all is well. It is time for Miss Greer Coach's Rockin' Math Review. And if you don't know what we're talking about, I'll clue you in. Hey, where the cash at? Alright, for us to know where the cash at, we have to know how to count it. Alright, so let's start with our Rockin' Math Review. Miss Greer Coach's amazing second grade class. All right, here goes our trivia. What are these photos of? I'll give you some think time. You got 30 seconds. Can you guess? Who are these people? Look at what are they doing. Give me your educated guess. I'll tell you. This is the Merchants and Farmers Bank. It's North Carolina's oldest African American owned bank. It was established in 1908 in Durham, North Carolina. This aided African Americans in saving and investing and just making their own wealth. Okay, so this was very important. The people right here are the people who have created it. Okay, now we do have a merchant farmed bank in Winston-Salem. It is located off of Martin Luther King Jr. Drive. Okay, so this was a establishment for us. All right, so you see money, cars, education. Our objective. I can solve word problems involving dollar bills, quarters, dimes, nickels, and pennies using the dollar symbol, which you see right there, and the cent symbols appropriately, meaning that you should be able to use it the correct way. So we're going to keep on going. I am going to put a link for this story underneath, and I want you to listen to the story. Why do you think it's important for our review? What are some various ways that we can talk about this in the story? We're going to keep on going. How was a lemonade sold? And also, have you ever tried to sell something? So I really want you to listen to the story. It's called Lemonade is for Sale. Okay? I will put a link in my in my video so you can listen to the story. So let's identify currency. How can I identify money? So as you see, we are just simply reviewing. That symbol right there means what? Cents. Good job. For example, Lourdes has 29 cents. All right, it goes after the amount of money, that symbol. So this symbol is the dollar sign to identify currency, such as Kamari has $15. Now, the difference here that you see, the cent sign goes after the cents. The dollar sign goes before the dollar. All right. So, what is that? Good job. That is $1. How many quarters can give you $1? How many pennies can give you $1? If you said 100 pennies, that is correct. How many quarters gives you $1? 4 quarters give you $1. $1. You see how you got that? Okay. $5. How many $1 bills give you $5? 5 $1 bills gives you $5. And let's see about this one. I'm going to float my head over here. All right, $10. So you have 2 5s, gives you $10. 2 10s gives you $20. 2 20s and 1 10 give you $50. And two $50 gives you $100. All right, when counting money, add the larger coins amount first. So we got to add the large coins first. Add the large coins first. What's your largest coin over here? The quarter, which is 25 cents. You add that first. Then you add the 10, and then you add the 5. So you have 25, 35, 40. Over here, you have the large bills. 20, 10 more, 30, 5 more, 35. Okay, so we don't add the small coins or the small bills. We add the larger amount first. So let's try this one together. You start with what? Do I start with 1? No, because we add the larger bills first. You start with 10. Plus 5 more is 15. Plus 2 more is 16. 17. Great. All right, let's try this one. That is what? 50 plus 10 more. 60 plus 5 more. I can't hear you. What you say? 65. All right, if you got that. Kimani wants to purchase a book bag for $86. You see how I said that? Does she have enough money? So we already know it's $77. The reason why we know, because we've added it up. We start with our 50 plus 10, 60, plus 5, 65, 60, plus 65, 70, 75, 76, and 77. Does she have enough to buy a book bag for $86? No, she does not. So count the dollars. This is something that I want you to do. I'm going to take my head away. See you in a little bit. Count the dollars. I want you to add the money up. You have 1, 2, and 3. So this is the time that I'm going to give you to pause the video. And that way you can complete your work and email it to me. So I'll give you about 30 seconds. And yeah. All right. So I want you to complete that. Send me a picture with your name on it and the date that you've completed it, and email it to me. Take a picture. See you all later. Where the cash at?